Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Vechain. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the currently live price update of the Vechain. What's the price changes over on the Vechain? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Guys, now in this video I'm talking about the it's the last of August. What will be the price of Vechain? Let me show you guys. Now the latest price of the Vechain in the market is 0.110593 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Vechain in the market. And on the other side, if you look, the changes occur in the Vechain. So the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Vechain is positive. Absolutely, guys. From the 1st August, I found Vechain in the positive mood, and every hour, every day, the price pump. So if these kind of changes continue in a Vechain for a long time, so I believe that they will give you huge profit at the last of August. My friends, from the price chart is clear. From 22 July, the price chart pumps, and still today is 11th August. Still the price is in the pumping mood. So guys, now it is a profitable coin in the market. Now you have to buy a Vechain for a profit. Positive 48.34% the price increase in the last 1 month, and the currently price, the live price today is the highest price of the Vechain. That's why I really recommend for all of you to invest in a Vechain and make a huge profit. Thanks for watching this video. What you think about Vechain, also share on the comment box.